Amazon Web Services. That is a full form of AWS is Amazon Web Service. So nowadays more growth on this platform is like that a cloud platform. So and today I'll explain how we can create one virtual machine in AWS. Okay, so now what you have to do? So this is like a Mac applications I'm using. So in that you can go to the Safari browser. In the Safari browsers, I'll close this first. So how I'll connect, I'll explain on that. So I'll this okay. So I've gone here. You just type AWS Amazon.com. Yeah, there is one thing about that while opening. So it will ask your credit card informations. So we just put it, and for first year it will be zero charges. Okay, and if you are not using any instances or you are not using any thing like endpoint or elastic IP, so we can uh, terminate so that it will not charges you. So all okay. So I have already created my account already in AWS. So just I click on sign in the into the console. So already I logged in. So what I will do? So I'll log out so you can understand. Okay. So here. So now I'm going to sign in to the console. It will ask my user ID and password informations. So I'm putting here my already I created account in AWS. So my account now this is. So after login, it will ask for the password, and you give the password. What is my password? I'm just logged in that. So now I'm able to sign in. So it is asking us to share the password. Not now. So now well, there is a various way to create EC2 instance. So first I will go in this way one because of AWS. Oh, we'll go on services. Best that will all services. View all services. So in first you can see in compute here is EC2. In EC2s, so right now I'm in Tokyo region. In this Tokyo regions, we are going to create one instances. In this instances, so we can click on launch instances. In this launched instances, I'm just creating EC2 instance 1. Okay, so now I'm going to use in Windows machine. No, we'll go Linux machine. In Linux machines, so this is free tier eligible. So I'm connecting one free tier eligible. In that uh, after that, so this is the information in instance type free tier eligibles. In this create key pair, so I'm going to create key pair for this instance. So I'll copy this key and I'm going to just create new key pair. In this I am given this is my key pair, and I have choose .ppk file for use for the putty. Create new pk. Okay, so it is gone for the download. So after that, in network setting, you can press edit. So click on button edit. In that, there is one default VPC is there. You just select in that. After that, no preference you can give. So it will choose based on availability region. So I just selected no preferences. So here I am creating that public IP. So security group already SSH is there, and I'm going to create our security group rule. So here I added HTTP to connect other machines. So we can here HTTP, and I selected anywhere so that we can access anywhere. There will not be any restriction in that. So another one I just added HTTPS IPS, and the source type I selected anywhere. And now okay, so now that launch instances. So instance will be ready. So I can click on this. I created this is my instance EC2 instance. Instance state is pending, and let me represent this. So here this is the one, and copying that public IP, and I'll store in my notepad public IP. Now I'll go to this, so I'll check the instance is running or not. So and check the status, it should come to wait 2. So still it's initializing status, so let it be. So after that, there is one thing to for check. uh, Here is the putty. So putty, you go your Google and install your putty in your machine itself. So and we will face the difficulties putty gen. So putty gen normally, yeah, using putty gen normally you are using to convert PEM, that privacy enhanced file, to PPK file, putty private key. So putty private key is understood by the putty. So privacy enhanced mail is not understood. So it is converting to putty private key format file. So after that, when we'll use for the putties, we'll take this putty private key file, and we'll start for login. So now we'll go on this. So I opened already putties there, and so I'll put in there. Okay, so now I can check the starter shop. This still is showing initializing. Okay, it is not done up to, okay, it's initialize. Yeah, now the status is showing to wait to check and passed. Okay, we copied already my public IP address 13 to 30 10 213. 13 to 30 10 213. So now we'll go for putty in this. Already I open. What happened? It's not opening. I install it. So let it be. Leave it. So it's not opening. You can close. I can terminate and I can open this. So I install after Google Earth. I install this putty. So you can try from your side. There is this very sources are there to open. Okay, so and here it will ask in connection, inside connection there will be SSH, and click on this SSH and click on auth. Here you can pass your recent downloads ppk files. So I open this ppk file, then you can pass in session what is my public IP address. Copy this and paste here. After that, click on open. It will ask for login as. In this, you just enter EC2 user. After that, enter it. So it will, you are able to log in now. So this is the way to follow to login. So how here it is taking for EC2 user. So normally EC2 user, if you want to connect here, you can see the SSH client information. In this SSH client informations, you can see here to connect the machine with the user EC2 user. Okay, now this is like a happy part you have gone on this, and suppose I myself I am saying about that I got some issues while connecting the machine. I am creating another instances. So already I created one instances. I am just creating another public instances in AWS. So I am clicking this instance. After that I clicked on launch instance. In this launch instance I'm just creating new public instances. So EC2 instance 2. After that I copied this one and I just choose AWS Amazon Linux. In this I choose this one Amazon Linux 2 AMI kernel 510 SSD volume type. After that T2 micro. In key pair I am just creating new key pair for this. I copied this one. Okay, is not issue to user. I'll copy that EC2 instance. For this key, for this instance I'm going to create key pair and paste here, and I just creating key pair. So I'm choose .pem file, create key pair. So it is downloaded in the download folder. After that I'm just edit configurations and network setting. I'm just doing edit default, and in the subnet nothing. I didn't choose anything. So here I created enable. So if public IP always it will be enable, if it will be disabled it will go for the private IP. So public IP address will not be assigned to this instance. So after that, I add security group. In this I selected HTTP and I selected here anywhere. So anywhere means it will accessed by any internets, anywhere. So there will not be any restriction on this. So again I am adding for another HTTPS types, source type, anywhere. So anywhere can access on this. So now it is created. The going to click on launch instance. So instance will be created. Now instances state is pending. After completion it will be converted to running. After that we check the status of this instance. Click on this. So this is IP address. I need to be note down in one place. So I am copying here and note down. Okay. Now, now what is my instance status? This is now instance state. Now it's running. Here status check is initializing. We'll wait for a few minutes. It will be changed to 2 by 2 check first. After that we can start. Meanwhile we can quit this one and quit, and the terminal also will close. Close. Now I click on this terminal putty. It will be open. Okay, this will keep aside. Okay, now what is the status on this? Till it's initializing. Let it complete this one. We'll wait for a few minutes. So it will be changed to 2 by 2 check past. Meanwhile, we'll go finder, not finder, go and utilities. From here terminal app we can close this one. Terminate, create terminal app. And in my download, in this download I can see this is the key pair recently generated. This is the key pair. I am just done the copy and replacing here with this pem file, and through the putty generator command we will create that file, ppk file from .pem to ppk file. Okay, now okay, so where is, we'll check now what is the status of this download. Again just cross verify ec2 instance -2 key pattern pm. Okay, super fine. Close it. So here status of this application, it was initializing. What is the status? Wow, super. It is now 2 by 2 check passed. In the terminal we open In this terminal, I will check what is the files are available in this terminal. In this terminal, there is desktop downloads movies. So files are keep your file available inside the downloads. Now we'll go to the download folder. Again, sure. Here you'll check what are the files are there, whether my files are available or not. My file which is a created, that is EC2 instance hyphen 2 kpr dot pem. Yes, it's available. This is my file. Okay. Now we can run this command. It will be converted to EC2 instance hyphen 2 kpr.pem file to EC2 instance hyphen 2 kpr.ppk file. Copy this file, copy, and here you paste it. You can extend. Okay, so we'll see in the download folder. Download folder also I'll keep off. Okay, then download folder. You want it to be created, it will come here. You can see. It is asking the password. You give your password. Yes, it is created now. This is a file. Now we can open the putty. Open. Yeah, putty configuration is open now. We can click on SSH. In this auth, you can pass the file which is generated now. Downloads. In this download, what is that file? EC2 instance hyphen 2 kpr ppk file, right? Now we can go to the session. Now our applications already running, right? So this EC2 instance hyphen 2 file. This is my public. I copied this one, and here you just paste it and click on open and accept it and enter, that is your user issue to user. Yes, this error is coming. No supported authentication method available. Server sent public key. This is the error we are getting. So how to fix this error? Anyone guess it? Anyone guess it? How this error can handle? Yeah, I already explained it previously. So this is the error you are getting. For that, why we got this error? Because we converted to PEM file to PPK file in this. So here we are facing some issues while converting to PPK file. What we have to do here, you can go, and when you are creating the launch instance, in this launch instance, when you are creating the file, specifically create new key pair and choose the .ppk file instead of .pem file. Then you can use it, then it will work. So you just practice in your home itself how is my video. Please like, share Prasad Tech channel. Please subscribe it. Have a nice day.